So here the drywaller left the outlet box behind the wall. You stuck a screwdriver in there and found it was right here. So we will go back and cut that out because drywall won't come back. We want a fortune here. That's not the only one. We'll go across here. And right here they did the same thing. Again, we stuck a screwdriver in there. Found that's where the box was. Here we have the old panel. Of course, with it being a sub panel, now you have to have both a neutral and a ground. And you have to separate all your grounds out. It originally did not have all the separated grounds out. They had the ground on the neutral bar, but they had like 4 grounds in the one spot, and that's a no-no. They also had like 2 neutrals in the one spot, and that's not allowed either. So yeah, we added the new bars back there, one on each side, and these are short bars, about, let me see, about yay long on each side. So this is a storage building, and this is the electrical coming into it, being fed from the house. Now, if this was the first point of connection for the electrical after the service, or connected directly to the service, maybe we should say. If this was a primary panel, then the neutral and ground here would be fine. However, this is not the primary panel, so this neutral and ground has to be separated. So I'll have to put a ground bar in and move the grounds over to that bar. Now, I'm saying ground, it's actually grounding conductor, but everybody knows what you're talking about when you say ground. You know this ain't legal. Wire comes out of the wall, it goes across the outside of the wall, and into the light.